Good morning everyone. My name is Sanjana. I am from MCA first year and I have created a website known as Let's Meet. It's basically for the college students of WCTM exclusive, so that we can they can take internship from this and register themselves and look for the opportunities that are available to them of different sectors like MBA, MCA, BTech, BCA and all. And there are different options in this, like they can do part-time work, freelancing, and full proper jobs also are available. There are different we have used HTML and CSS in this, making this.
सर इसका पर्पस ये है कि क्योंकि ये जो वेबसाइट हमने थी हमने थोड़ी लिंक्डइन से इंस्पायर करी है, आप देख भी सकते हो तो आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग ही जाएगा। इंटर्नशिप्स का हम इसमें काफ़ी फोकस कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, पर जो डिफरेंस जो मेन रहेगा वो ये रहेगा कि इसमें जो प्रीमियम है हमें चार्ज करना पड़ता है, बट यहाँ पे हम स्टूडेंट वेरिफिकेशन का हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं हमारे आईडीज़ को लेके, जिसकी वजह से हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट मिल जाएगा फॉर फिल्टरिंग आवर जॉब्स, और काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स को पॉकेट फ्रेंडली भी रहेगा, मतलब ज़्यादा कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव नहीं रहेगा। जॉब सर हम इंडीड से टाई अप कर सकते हैं, इंडीड को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं।
बाकी सर इसमें पेजेस हमने लिंक किए।
Good morning. Hope you all are good. My name is Rahul and I'm from BTech and AIDSE student on this college, and today's my topic is as a rich media.
Hello, my name is Dhruv Bharadwaj and I am a first year MCA student from the World College, and we are here to present you the rich media concept developed by us for a theme.
Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Chikara from MCA first year. We are here for presenting website name Rich Media.
Hello friends, my name is Tanish Vella. I am from MCA first year. We are presenting Rich Media website.
What is all about Rich Media? Rich Media के बारे में पूरा बताओ, क्या है जो भी बता रहे थे।
सर ये वेबसाइट हमने है जो टेम्पलेट सेल करने के लिए बनाई है। चीप कॉस्ट में हम है जो इसमें टेम्पलेट है जो अपने सेल करते हैं, चीप कॉस्ट में हम इसमें अपने टेम्पलेट्स को सेल करते हैं, जिसमें हमने काफ़ी सारी कैटेगरीज़ का ऑप्शन रखा है, बिज़नेस का, एजुकेशन का, ई कॉमर्स हो गई, कार्ड हो गए, लोगो हो गए, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए रखा है। और इसमें प्राइसिंग रखी हुई है 4 कैटेगरी में हमने इसकी प्राइसिंग कर रखी है। एक फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, एक प्रीमियम क्लास है हमारी, और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हमने इसके अंदर है जो अगर स्टूडेंट अपना एनरोल कराता है और वेरिफिकेशन कराता है अपनी स्टूडेंट आईडी से, तो इसके अंदर वो है जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हमारे टेम्पलेट्स जो है वो उसके कॉलेज के टाइम पीरियड तक है जो उसे वो यूज़ कर सकता है। इसके अंदर हम है जो टूल्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जो कि आप इसके अंदर क्या करते हो कि खुद के टेम्पलेट डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो इसके ऊपर। ये वेबसाइट हमने है जो ये बनाई है, ये अभी सिर्फ लोकल होस्ट पे है, ये ऑनगोइंग है सर हमारा प्रोजेक्ट अभी। यस सर, प्रीव्यू देख सकता है, उसके अंदर हमने जो वो कर रखा है, उसमें मैंने ये जो पेजेस को है जो प्रोटोटाइप कर रखा है उसके अंदर, वो कर सकता है वहाँ से।
My name is Neha Yadav and this is my team. We are the students from management department, and today on the occasion of Tech Fest we have organized a pen called Tech Pen.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Akash. I am pursuing BBA second sem.
My name is Deepika and I'm from MBA second sem.
My name is Sonia. I'm from MBA second sem and I'm pursuing my MBA from finance specification.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sonam Yadav. I am also from MBA second sem.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Labhya Sinha and I am from BBA second sem.
My name is Nuveen from BBA second sem.
Our mentor is Miss Monica ma'am. So we have created a Tech Pen. So let's discuss about its objective. So it would be able to scan the entire text in seconds and it can translate in whatever language you want to. It can translate it into more than 100 languages. Also it would be having a LED screen on it. You can replay or translate. Also the basic feature of this pen is that it could be act as a dictionary for the students in their study applications. If we talk about specifications, so the pen would be having a mini speaker in it, which would be useful to speak. There would be a Bluetooth connectivity. It can act as a portable printer. A scanner would be there. We can connect that pen with our phone or PC. Also, it would be having very unique designs and also multiple languages to scan. It would be having a mini battery with 24 hours backup, an LED screen and a speed controller. Now USP, it would be how our product is different from the others in the market.
Now its USP, it comes with a mind-blowing feature of translating more than 100 languages in just one scan. And second, it can provide a study assistance to students with a huge collection of dictionary. And it is a powerful tool for differently able students. And next point, it also has a built-in line break function that has the ability to print either a single or a cross multiple lines.
If we talk about the design of this pen, we have an audio jack which we can connect through earphone or headphone, and there is a display on this pen which will show the text we scan, and memory storage is also there, so we can store our information in this pen. And there is a scanner which will scan the entire text, and the grip of this pen is soft, so it very suitable to hold, and there is a speaker which playback our audio which we recorded, and a microphone which will capture our lectures or meeting in a clear sound, and there is a USB connector which we can connect through our computer, and we can recharge our pen using a standard cable connection.
Now we talk about the product parameters. Its size is about 15 centimeter and the weight of the product is about 29 gram, which is more heavy than a normal pen because it consists many information. It is available in a color of black and white. Its memory expansion is about 128 GB, which can store our data and information.
It's easy to use. Only one button. We have multiple use. If we hold the button, it scan and store. And after that we press once to print, and after that we press. If we have to translate to any language, we can press twice.
बेसिकली हम इसके अंदर स्पीकर, बैटरी, स्कैनर, एलईडी स्क्रीन प्रिंटर, इन चीज़ों का यूज़ करेंगे जिनकी कॉस्ट टोटल 2600 आएगी. स्पीकर प्राइस 100 रुपीज़, बैटरी 100, स्कैनर 650, एलईडी स्क्रीन 250, प्रिंटर 15,000.